We're gonna play a little game. It's called RGB roulette. I'm gonna cycle through my RGB setup profiles, and we're just gonna go with whatever it lands on. I'm gonna close my eyes and count to 3. Whatever it hits, that's what we're going with. 1, 2, 3. I guess we going Super Saiyan. Now we probably better not. It's a little distracting.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we're going to be looking at a company that I've actually been using for some time now. Now, if you're in the market for trying to boost the aesthetics and the overall wow factor of your PC build, if you're looking for some way to really just bring out that essence of yourself, if you're just looking for something that can just reach out to people and just grab them and grab their attention when they see your PC, well guys, you found the right video today, because I'm going to be showing you guys the company that I've been using to help just do that and really make my PC stand out. Let's look at it. With a company like V1 Tech behind you, you can expect to be set up to win. As any real gamer could easily tell you, if you're not looking good while you're playing good, you're not really that good. So this same logic could easily be applied to our GPU. It may be giving us all this power, but if it's not looking good while it's doing it, is it really giving us that much power? Now, if Dragon Ball Z isn't your thing, that's fine. They still got you. Check it out. V1 Tech does not cut any corners when it comes to giving you the freedom to choose. They have a fair amount of designs readily available for you to choose from. However, it doesn't just stop there. Now, earlier I told you that if you wanted to express yourself, this company gives you the opportunity to do just that. You have the option to create your own custom backplate for your PC, and with options to upload your own images or backgrounds, there's so many options for customizations. They're even kind enough to give you some stock backgrounds if you don't already have any on your PC, giving you so many options to mix and match as you see fit. Now, if for some reason you don't want your backplate to have RGB, guess what? You don't have to have it. However, if you're one of those RGB freaks like I am, RGB up, cowboy. It's time to get the light show rolling. Make sure you give them your make and model for your GPU so your backplate fits perfectly without any issues. Check out, and you're on your way to improving your gaming abilities. Cool points are everything. Now, the amazing products don't just stop at backplates. No. They even have sleeved cables that have slight customization options, even giving you the option to get sleeved SATA cables if you want them. Now that's going the extra mile. Custom SSD covers that can also be RGB with custom designs, custom GPU brackets that can help support that behemoth graphics card, and various spare parts such as RGB strip replacements, bracket knobs, screws, and the like. V1 Tech is a company out of Texas that is ready to deliver quality, but what can you expect to get if you do order one of these GPU backplates? Well, let me show you. Now, if you do make the intelligent decision to go ahead and purchase one of these bad boys, you can expect V1 Tech to send you a package that is securely fastened and safe. Please make sure y'all do that. Just kidding, they will. But since we got it here, let's go ahead and check this out and see what it is you guys can expect when you do use this company and purchase one of their products. Now, as any other package you would probably get, it's going to come with some instructions, but they actually give you colored instructions, and I'm just going to tell you right now, that's a thing in itself. A lot of companies don't give you colored printed pages of instruction. Color printed. That's not any idea of the kind of quality that you're going to get with this product, and I just don't know what to tell you. Now, what we have here is Goku in his Ultra Instinct form doing a Kamehameha. And if you're not a fan of Dragon Ball Z, well, we just won't talk about it. However, if you take a closer look, you may see that there's an indentation here, and that indentation is actually special. It's actually customized to my GPU. I have the For the Win EVGA 2080 Ti series card, and if you are going to make the intelligent decision to go ahead and buy this little accessory for your PC, just make sure you give them the right build and model of your GPU, and if there's a certain indentation, they will be sure that it has all the indentions to perfectly line up with your GPU, because at V1 Tech, they're going to take care of you. Great company. The best, I heard. Everyone's saying it. Don't hate me. I can't help it. So just be sure, if you do make the intelligent decision, like I know you guys will, to add this to your arsenal and your accessories of your PC build, to give them the right model and make of your GPU so you can have a perfectly made and cut backplate. Really accessorize. Really accessorize. But what else comes in the box? Let's have a look. Now we got this little bag here, and it contains a couple of different things, a few cords in here. Now, you've got some options when you do make the intelligent decision to go ahead and add this to your PC build. Now, when I say couple, I mean three. Now, three options that you have are going to go as follows. You've got the RF SATA. Now, what you can do here is plug this into one of the peripheral powers in your power supply, and you'll take this little small end right here, and you'll just simply grab your back plate and click, boom. And then from there, which is actually fairly handy, you have a little remote, and this remote can control the RGB on this back plate. Just little buttons, click, 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 click. Got a little RGBs on there. Do whatever you like. So that's one of your options with these cords that you have. Another option that you have, which, you know, V1 Tech, and the geniuses that they are, made sure to give the people what they needed, and that was options, because that's what people want. You have the other option of hooking this up into your iCUE. Now, if you take a gander back here to this little fancy schmancy back here. Now, this is how I actually hook mine up. Once again, you'll just take this little small end and you'll just plug it into the back plate. But on this end, you can actually plug this into the LED hubs that you have, whether it be into your Commander Pro, if you have that, or the regular LED switch. Now, one more option that you actually have with addressing the RGB on this strip here is actually being able to hook it directly into your motherboard. You have the motherboard 5-volt plug that they give you as well. And same process, one end goes into the end of the strip, while the other one will go plugged directly into your motherboard. And just make sure you don't plug it into the 12-volt, just the 5-volt. It won't work if you do the 12, so make sure you do it right. Read your instructions, guys. Instructions are everything. Now, if you do decide to make the intelligent decision to go ahead and get this product, just know you're not only going to get a quality product, but you're going to get good customer service. I've had issues in the past before where I didn't understand something, and V1 Tech was right there really quick to help get me on the right track and get me all fixed up. So just know, I know that can be a concern with some people when they do go ahead and buy something that they're unaware of or unsure, or with a new company. They want to know that they're going to be taken care of and that their business is going to be respected. And I got to tell you, don't worry, they're going to take care of you. Guys, that's going to do it for the video. As always, please, if you do have a question, don't hesitate to ask. I don't mind helping. I really don't. I'm really trying to build something for you guys here, and I hope y'all want to be a part of it. A simple like, share, subscribe, comment, go miles and miles for the channel. It really helps me build and continue to grow. If there was something you didn't like, thought I could have done better, whatever it may be, please leave a thumbs down. Just let me know what it was that I did so I can improve and do better next time. With that said, I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe. And if not, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.